In August 2025, I am leading a photographic safari at Madikwe, South Africa. It is a 6-night, 7-day safari. We spend our first night in City Lodge at OR Tambo International Airport, Johannesburg. Next morning, after a sumptuous breakfast, we proceed to Madikwe by road with a private transfer. Next 5 nights is spent at Matla Lodge, Madikwe. The super luxurious lodge will be exclusive for our group. That means we do not share it with any other guest or a group. Safari is conducted in an open game vehicle with only 5 guests in each. Madikwe is malaria free and is a big 5 destination, while lion, elephant, buffalo and rhino is guaranteed. Leopard sighting is not uncommon. In addition to these big 5 animals, cheetah, wild dog, serval, caracal are another attraction. Madikwe is also a birder's paradise, with more than 300 species of birds recorded here. What are you waiting for? Join me for this ultra luxurious safari at Madikwe in August 2025.